Hi guys, this is TechKev. Today I'm going to show you how to change the microphone volume or sensitivity on Windows 10. So it's pretty easy. You have to go in your sound setting. So right click on it, go to Open Volume Mixer. After that, click on System Sound. And now you will see your system sound. So playback is pretty much your headphones, speaker, and stuff like that. And recording will be where you see your mic. So the first thing that you need to make sure that you're using the proper mic. Sometimes people are like plugging a USB mic and they're thinking they're using it, but they're using their camera mic. So disable like all other stuff that you don't want to use. For me, if I show my disable stuff, for example, the webcam is disabled here. So after that, click on your mic, go to level, and this is pretty much where you will see your microphone volume or sensitivity. So this is pretty much where you can do your test. Don't go too crazy over here. Normally, depending on your mic, I'm going between 40 and 65. So do your tests and make sure that you don't go too crazy with it. When you're using a software like Audacity or OBS, you will see like your decibel. So don't go in the red part. Make sure that you always stay in the green/yellow part, and you will have a pretty decent sound. If you have any question about this, just comment in the YouTube section. I will try to help you the best that I can. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Peace.